Good day everyone, I'm Julina Anti from BTV-TED HVAC 3A from College of Teacher Education. Welcome to my presentation about refrigerated trucks, cold chain containers, and bus air conditioning systems. In today's world, refrigeration technologies plays a very important role not just in preserving food and medicine, but also in keeping people comfortable while traveling. Through this presentation, we'll explore how refrigerated trucks keep perishable goods fresh during transport, how cold chain containers maintain the right temperature for sensitive products, and how bus air conditioning systems provide comfortable to passengers on the road. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this cooling system works, their importance in everyday life, and the technology that makes them efficient and reliable. So sit back, relax, and join me as we dive into the fascinating world of refrigeration and air conditioning system. So first, I'll be talking about something very important in the world of transportation and logistics, the refrigerated truck and the different types that help keep our product fresh, safe, and high quality during delivery. A refrigerated truck, also known as a reefer truck, is a special kind of vehicles designed to transport temperature-sensitive goods. It has a built-in refrigeration system that maintains a specific temperature inside the cargo area, just like a moving refrigerator. These trucks are used to carry perishable items such as meat, fish, dairy, fruits, vegetable, and frozen food, and even medical supplies like vaccines. Without refrigerated trucks, many of these products will spoil before reaching markets or hospitals. The cooling system inside a refrigerated truck works through a refrigeration cycle, which includes four main components: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. In compressor, it compresses the refrigerant gas going to condenser. And the condenser releases the heat to the outside air. Then going to expansion valve, it lowers the pressure of the refrigerant. And going to the evaporator absorbs heat inside the cargo area to keep it cool. This continuous cycle helps maintain the right temperature, whether the goods need to be chilled, frozen, or deep frozen. Now, let's discuss about the different types of refrigerated trucks. There are several kinds and each one serves a specific purpose. First is the refrigerated box trucks. These trucks keep the temperature slightly above freezing. They are ideal for transporting fresh produce, dairy, and beverage that need to stay cool but not frozen. Next is the freezer trucks. It maintains temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius, perfect for meat, seafood, ice cream, and frozen foods. They prevent product from spoiling and maintaining their quality for long distance. Last but not the least is the multi-temperature trucks. These modern trucks have a divided compartments with separate temperature controls. This allows the transport of different products like frozen meat and fresh fruits in one trip, saving time and fuel. Refrigerated trucks are essential to the cold chain system, ensuring that goods remain safe and fresh from the supplier to the consumer. Today, many refrigerated trucks are equipped with digital temperature monitoring, GPS tracking, and eco-friendly refrigerant. Some even use solar panels or electric cooling system to help reduce pollution and fuel use. In conclusion, the refrigerated truck is a vital part of modern logistics and daily life. Whether it is chillers, freezers, deep freezers, or multi-temperature trucks, each one plays an important role in keeping products safe, fresh, and ready for use. Without refrigerated trucks, the world's supply chain, especially for food and medicine, would not function as efficiently as it does today. Next, I'll be talking about an important part of the logistics and transportation industry, the cold chain container and its type. This container plays a huge role in keeping our perishable products like food, medicine, and vaccine fresh and safe while being transported across cities or even countries. A cold chain container is a temperature-controlled storage unit used to transport and store perishable goods. It is a vital part of the cold chain system, which is the process of keeping products at the right temperature from the point of production all the way to the consumer. In simple terms, these containers act like a portable refrigerator, maintaining a consistent temperature so that the quality and safety of products are never compromised. Cold chain containers are commonly used for fresh produce, seafood, dairy products, frozen foods, pharmaceuticals, and vaccines. So now, let's discuss the different types of cold chain containers. First, we have refrigerated active containers. Each have their own cooling system, such as a compressors or a fans, powered by electricity or rechargeable batteries. They can maintain precise temperature for long periods and are commonly used in air cargo and pharmaceutical transport. Second is the insulated passive container. These rely on insulation materials and cold energy sources like gel packs, dry ice, or phase change materials to maintain temperature. They are often used for short-distance deliveries or when power supply is not available. Next is the hybrid containers. Combines both active and passive cooling methods. They are energy efficient, flexible, and can switch between battery power and insulation depending on situation. Perfect for long distance or international transport of goods or medicines. Cold chain containers are essential for food safety, healthcare, and global trade. Without them, many of the products we rely on like fruits, seafood, and vaccine would fall before reaching us. Today, modern containers come with digital temperature monitoring, GPS tracking, and smart sensors that alert operators if the temperature changes. In conclusion, the cold chain container is a key innovation that keeps our goods safe, fresh, and high quality throughout the supply chain. Whether it's active, passive, or hybrid containers, each type plays a unique role in maintaining the right temperature for every product. Thanks to these containers, we can enjoy fresh food and reliable medicines anytime and anywhere. Last but not the least, we're going to discuss a very important system that provides comfort to passengers during travel, the bus air conditioning system and its type. When you're riding a city bus, the air conditioning system helps maintain a cool and comfortable temperature inside, no matter how hot it is outside. A bus air conditioning system is a cooling system installed in the buses to control the temperature, humidity, and air circulation inside the vehicles. It works on the same principle as a regular air conditioner. It removes heat and moisture from the air to provide a comfortable environment for passengers. These systems are especially important in tropical countries like the Philippines, where high temperatures can make long rides uncomfortable without proper cooling. So now, let's discuss the different types of bus air conditioning system depending on the uses and sizes. So first, the roof-mounted system. This is the most common type used in many buses. The air conditioning unit mounted in the roof at the bus, allowing for efficient air distribution and easy maintenance. It is ideal for both city and provincial buses. Next is the split-type system. In this system, the compressors are separated. The compressor and condenser are placed under the bus, while the evaporator is installed inside the cabin. This setup provides better balance and cooling efficiency, especially for large or luxury buses. And that concludes my presentation about refrigerated trucks, cold chain containers, and bus air conditioning systems. We've learned that these technologies all share one important goal: to control temperature and preserve quality, whether it's for food, medicine, or passenger comfort. Refrigerated trucks ensure that perishable goods stay fresh during long trips, while cold chain containers protect temperature-sensitive products like vaccine and frozen items during storage and transport. And bus air conditioning systems provide comfort and convenience for passengers, no matter how hot it is outside. This innovation reminds us how refrigeration and air conditioning make modern life more efficient, safer, and more comfortable. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you gain new knowledge and appreciation for the importance of cooling system in our daily lives. Once again, I'm Julina Anti from BTBTED HVAC 3A saying thank you and see you next time. Goodbye!